guys, this is Epic Gamer and today I am gonna play Dream Legends Soccer. And if you are enjoying this video press the like button, and if you are new on the channel, subscribe for more. And you have like comment and stuff, comment down below. And yeah, thanks for watching, and let's play. Touch. Okay. Oh yeah. Nope. And continue. Okay. I am remoderated, and I'm versing San Jose. Okay, let's do this. Yep. I'm this one. I'm red and white. Oh man, it's the same thing. I'm really wanting actually. What up, Epica? I love you. That's me. Epica is me. Let's go. Pass to Ronaldo. Ronaldo is gonna go like a hacker. Oh, that's so close. They're like going hard mode, but nice move. Yep. Back to the keeper. Oh man, that's bad. That was a bad move. Come on, Ronaldo. Nope, I got the ball and I kicked the ball way down there. Let's go, Ronaldo. This way. Nope, that way. Nope, that way again. Nope, go this way. Oh, do you see the move? Ooh, go this way. Oh, go this way. Oh, Ronaldo! Just scored a goal. I guess he should be fine, right? Look at the Zooks, man. Look at that awesome Zooks. Look at this. Nope, I'm going that way. Nope, I'm going that way. Nope. Oh! Game on, man. Did you see that goalie? He fell. Oh, that's funny. He seen the goalie, man. Oh, that way. Oh, that way. And go, let's go, Ronaldo. My goal is to get. My goal, you got it? You know what it is, dude? My goal is to get 3 hat-trick, and I'm ready to run. Benzema. Okay. Oh. Sorry, man. I'm just gonna kick one. Pepe. Go Ronaldo again. Nope, they just that awesome trick.
Well, the goalkeeper's going for a bit of a run here. Oh, that was nice. Oh, great tackle. Back to the goalkeeper.
Get the ball, man.
Takes the ball cleanly. Plays back to the goalkeeper. Ronaldo! What a finish!
Chip it, man. Chip it. He's a chip guy. Chip. That was cool. Whoop! Did you just see the chip? Slow motion. Hey, look at this. Run. And right here. Slow motion, right? Look at the ball. And look at the feet. He chipped it. And see that? He chipped it.
It's 2-0. And we're into stoppage time now. And it's half time.
Oh, half time. But Oh, only one more, and he's on the goal, man.
Here we go then, the second half. Another 45 minutes to enjoy.
Oh no, I forgot. Oh my god, I forgot that we changed the goalie. Oh my god. Thank gosh, I look so horrible right now. Oh no, oh no. I think he's gonna miss that.
Looks like the goalkeeper fancies himself as an outfield player.
Nope. Oh. Thanks for no. Thanks for the ball, boy.
Nice tackle.
Get to the goalie. Come backward. Oh, why I'm doing bad right now? Come on, Tika. Come on, Tika. You can do it. No. Oh my. Come on, give to Ronaldo, man. Tika, do better than that. Man, you did awesome last time. I mean, oh my gosh, Tika, you suck right now. Boy, I'm talking to myself. No! You missed, man. Who are you? I didn't see you. I'm not saying anything. Just pass it like that. Then, then pass to him again, and he will go rock and roll. No, why did you just do? Oh my god, nope, you're not going back. You're going here. Let's do this, boy. Let's do this. Yes, goalkeeper is going for a what? Did you see that? Oh my, that was awesome trick. That's awesome. That was freaking awesome. I need to see that one more time. Slow motion, man. That was sick. Oh. It spit all over my iPad, man. That was a sick move. Boom! I just rainbow trick him, and then he was gonna get the ball, but nope, not today. Boom! Oh, but that dive, man, that was a good dive. 3 goals, man. 3 goals. Go! Thanks for the goal. Ronaldo, do one more time, man. I can't let anybody score this game. Only Ronaldo, man. Only Ronaldo. Nope. Peace out, boy. Boom. One more goal, man. One more goal. Ronaldo, you're going rock and roll. Nice dancing. Yeah, I like dancing too. I'm joking, man. No, thanks for the ball. Benzema, you just like push me. No, 1 minute. No, I think I can do it. I won anyways. Ronaldo, you're the best, man. I like you. Ronaldo just score a goal. Goal just score a goal, man. Yeah. Should I do? Okay, comment down below. Should I do Ronaldo again or should I do Messi and stuff? Comment down below, guys. I'm gonna do one more. I think no, not one more. Yeah. This is gonna be my last play. If you guys enjoy this video, press the like button. Everyone knows that. I already tell in the beginning. Yeah. I'm gonna tell one more time. If you are enjoying this video, press the like button. If you are new on the channel, subscribe for more. And yeah, thanks for watching and enjoy. Did you enjoy? You didn't enjoy? Sorry for you then. Yeah. I'm sad, I know. Sorry. Yeah, but yeah, thanks for watching, guys.